Sitting here in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Tell me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Shali's Life. As you can tell by the title, I will be doing the whisper challenge with my little sister, Khalicia. Come on! Hi guys, this is my sister. Introduce yourself. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi, I'm Khalicia.
Don't peer, she's weird. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for tuning into another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bells. Leave a comment down below telling me what video you want me to do next. And please remember to share with a friend. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, like I said before, we're gonna be doing the whisper challenge. How this goes is we're gonna be playing music through the earpiece on the phone, and I'm gonna say something and she's gonna try to read my lips and vice versa. And we're gonna do about 10 rounds. We're gonna do 10 rounds and see who wins. Can you get a book and a pencil so I can keep score to see who wins, please? Be right back, guys. We're gonna get a book and a pencil. How long does it take to get a book and a pencil?
Paper.
Finally.
And I got this thing you can use.
Okay, so
Take one of those things, please.
sit down. I'm good. I'm gonna go first. Okay. First, let me test this to see if she can hear, because ain't no cheating, and I know Khalicia's gonna plan on cheating.
Oh, God.
Let me play something, and I'm gonna turn it up. I'm gonna play a song that I know is loud. What song? Give me a song that's loud.
I don't really know.
Ooh, guys, I'm trying to figure out a song. Oh, well, let me just.
Just put in a song you know. As long as it's appropriate.
Oh yeah. This is a Christian house, so I can't be playing no boogie yaka boogie yaka boogie yaka boogie. Let me see something if this is very high.
Yeah, I can hear it all out here.
But I can hear you.
Oh.
Okay, so do something, let me hear. This is a test run, guys. If I'm allowed, sorry.
You idiot.
What? Make sure they can hear you. What you said? What you said?
You idiot.
What? Okay, guys. Hold up. So okay, it's good. So we're gonna be able to say it 3 times. And if you don't get it, well, too bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna play this song. Go to that
Oh, she didn't hear
what did you say? I'm gonna hear when I'm editing this video. No, guys, I'm gonna start now. So guys, ready? Yeah, hear me? Yeah, hear me?
Huh?
Oh, okay. Okay, first try. I don't like you.
You don't like me.
She's hearing! Nah, that doesn't count!
Huh?
Ah, Khalicia won. I'm mad. Come, my turn. Stop the music.
What happened?
You heard what I said.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Guys, she heard.
Legit, I saw you in school.
Whatever, my turn. Let me find
I've
my
been
phone.
practicing to read. I can just play back in the library. La la la.
Guys, she cheating.
No, I did not. She's just being a sore loser.
Oh, yeah. Jam session. Okay, ready?
Pink marshmallow.
What?
Pink marshmallow.
Purple marshmallow? Pink marshmallow? Ah! I mean, if you're looking at that.
She heard the marshmallow part and she knew this.
Okay, so
the P.
where's the pen?
I don't know.
We're both at 1, guys. Oh, I can't find the pen. Oh. Okay, Shalini 1, Khalicia 1. Okay, my turn. I did not cheat.
I should have made you guess more than one time.
Girl, I'm just good at this. Yeah, we're supposed to get 3 times. No. Okay, my turn. Guys, what should I say? Comment down below. Please put in the comments Team Shalini because I'm gonna win this. 10 rounds. If you turned up, stop trying to cheat. Okay. Hello? Okay. I love the Lord.
One more time.
That's 1. Oh no, you didn't guess. I love the Lord.
I love you.
Nope, that's 1. I love the Lord.
Can you? Huh?
I love the Lord.
I don't know.
I love the Lord.
I love yogurt.
2, no! Okay, one more try. I love the Lord.
I love Tyler.
No, when you calling Tyler's name, beep! That's how you lose. You don't get that one.
What'd you say?
I said I love the Lord. That was round 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
I said I love the Lord. Now it's round 3. Oh, you didn't get anything.
That was hard.
I'm winning, guys. No, I'm joking. We're both at 1. And this is round 3. Okay.
Give you a hard one this time.
Where is my song?
In the library, right there.
Okay. Hold up.
I'm gonna use a word I got from my friends.
What are you saying? Woo, woo, woo. Okay. You gotta come into the camera. Okay, what you said? Touch my life, be free.
You-
Oh, okay.
You idiot.
What?
You idiot.
You an idiot? What?
You idiot.
You Asian? God, what you saying?
You idiot.
Go again.
You idiot. Idiot. You idiot.
You is it?
You were close, but no.
What? What you said?
You idiot.
What is that?
He's dumber than an idiot.
That doesn't count. Whatever, man. Hold it. It's my turn. Guys, that doesn't count. She's cheating.
How?
Who knows what that word is?
The person who I got it from does.
Whatever. My turn. I'm gonna give her all one watch. Don't be wiping off my ears. Rude.
I don't trust you.
Let's play my song. I can't remember switching from song to song.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, you gotta. Okay, ready? I don't like that glasses. I don't like that glasses.
I don't like your glasses.
She is cheating! You got it.
Did I get it?
Yes.
Yay! I saw you looking at my glasses and then I saw I don't like your. I was like,
Round 4. That's not fair, guys. She's cheating.
no.
Comment down below. Isn't she cheating?
I'm just smart. I'm just smart.
Girl, what are you trying to say?
I called you an idiot, yeah.
I'm gonna smack you upside the head. Come into the camera. Come on. Okay. What you up to?
It's an easy one, but it might be a little mean. You're fat.
You're fat. I knew that's what she said. First of all, I am not fat. I am slim, thick, with a cute ass.
Totally.
No cursing. 2. I ain't fat. Put that in your ears.
Totally. Guys, she is.
I am not fat. Excuse you. Anyways. I love Mikhail more than I love you.
I love Mikhail more than you.
That's not exactly what I said.
Huh?
I love myself a lot. Don't say it. Shh. I love my kid more than I love you.
I love Mikhail more than I love you.
Oh, damn it! You might try to change up this because I got it 3.
Man, you think is loud.
Oh, give it to me. She's getting back.
Ouch, you know you love me more. You know you love me more. I'm just...
Don't be hitting me. And I love both of you all the same.
I don't.
Round 5. She said she won't let me drop my arms. Your turn.
You know what? I'm gonna give you a sentence just like you did.
What?
I'm gonna give you a sentence too.
Okay.
You are weird like your father.
You are wearing like your father.
No, you're close. You are weird like our father.
First and foremost, my father is not weird, and I am not weird like him. 3. Don't play with me. I ain't come to play. So guys, we're both at 3. Out of 5 rounds, we're both at 3. Let's see who's gonna win this.
That's kind of sad, but it's okay.
I'm gonna give her something. Oh, guys, I'm gonna cheat a little. What? Anyway.
This song just got...
Put it back in your ears. Anyway. She said, but she's sure. Come on.
I had no idea what you said.
She said, but she's sure.
Your teeth are in the way of me seeing what your mouth is doing.
Do you hear this? That's not funny.
What? Your underbite is in the way. Come on here. Oh, yeah.
Come on. She fell, she shall, but she's sure. Five, 4.
You gotta say it again.
She fell, but she's sure.
I give up. What did you say? What did you say?
She fell, she shall, but she's sure.
That's not fair.
That's fair. You gotta tell me what's fair. It's my channel. Excuse you. You tops. Next song. Where my song at? Hey. I'm in lame. 1 minute, guys. I'm finding a song. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Okay, I'm ready.
Got my arms.
Be gracious to the Lord, turn his face towards you and give you peace. Okay, ready. Oh.
You drink ensures to make you feel better.
What?
You drink ensure to make you feel better.
I know ensure is in there. Go again.
You drink ensure to make you feel better.
I drink ensure to make me feel better. Woo! 4. Sing break, come with me. Ready.
Ready for what?
Amen. Come on, sing.
Again,
Amen. 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 Okay, that's it. This is the last round.
rounds?
7 rounds.
I thought there was 10 rounds.
I can't be bothered. Come on, here.
You're just doing this because you want to win.
Oh, I'm at 4, you're at 3. Oh.
Wait. What does the loser have to do?
Oh! Guys, the loser has to drink raw egg.
Huh?
Yeah!
I read the hot sauce.
Yeah! Okay, the loser has to drink a spoon of hot sauce.
Happy to spoon, because we got to use spoon and we got to use spoons.
Okay, this is the last round now. You better catch up.
Guys, play for me.
Ready? Play that music. Okay. I love you. You are the best sister ever.
I love you. You're the best sister ever.
I know. Close. I love you. You are the best sister ever.
I love you. You're the bestest sister ever.
Nope. One more try. Close. I love you. You're the best sister ever.
Can you say it one more time?
I love you. You are the best little sister ever.
I love you. You're the...
Tick tock. Tick tock.
You're the...
Tick 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 tock. Time's up.
Wait, hold on. I was going to say it.
What?
I love you. You're my littlest sister ever.
Nope. I won! I love you. You are the best little sister ever. And guys, that's it. Team Shalii in the comments. Khaleesi's gonna drink hot sauce. Khaleesi's gonna drink hot sauce. Woo, 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 woo. Put a smile on the face.
You know, technically this is not fair.
It is fair.
Because adults have more, like, thinking speed.
Nah. Guys, didn't she say at the
They're
start of
more-
this video, I'm smart?
Yeah, I'm smart for my age. Not smarter than a 22-year-old.
Whatever. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video. Please stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna prank my dad. I don't know what type of prank I'm gonna do yet. But this is Shalii's life.
She is just gloating only because she's happy that she won other than that hot
And you're
spot
gonna drink hot
smoothie.
sauce anyways.
Okay, I bet I could do it better than you did with that hot sauce challenge.
I'm not even gonna close out yet. Let's go get the hot sauce. And a spoon.
Okay.
She's gonna drink a sauce. She's gonna drink a sauce. She's gonna drink. Hey. Mikael! Guys, I'm let you say hi to my brother. Mikael! Come say hi to my YouTube. Come here.
Is this good?
What are you doing? Okay. Amen. Oh, happy day.
Oh, happy
Stop that.
day.
Open this. Stop it. I'm not trying to get copyright. Open.
How do you get copyright from playing music in the background?
Because YouTube is just strict like that. Hurry up, man.
I'm not open this. Why can't you open it?
Guys, give me a minute.
After 100,000 years, we finally got the hot sauce open.
And she's gonna drink it. Daddy, she did this to herself. Don't curse me. Don't blame me.
Come get it. Come get her.
Oh my God, Khaleesi hair. I ain't
Pour it
gonna
all
be.
in there.
I ain't gonna be wicked. Drink that, guys. Look. Ooh, hair. Chugga, 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 chugga,
May all the
chugga.
years I've been in America, eating spicy food helped me out here.
Ooh. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. You know, turn the post notification bell on. Let me know what type of video you want me to do next. And this is my little sister Khaleesi, and I'm Shalii, and we're out. Bye.
Still in love with me, like the way you claim to be. Am I still your babe?